Hello everybody, this is Strive Lim, your Udemy instructor. Before we learn web development, it's essential that we at least have a rough idea about the internet. There are two things that you need to be able to differentiate as a web developer. They are the client and the server, also known as the front end and the back end. The client side refers to the site where the user browses the internet. The server is the place where the files and data of the website are located. When a user enters a URL, the client requests data with the URL to the server. Through this request, the server generates a response with some data back to the client. The data is then interpreted and displayed to the user. This is not the whole concept of the internet, as it is pretty complicated, but this is what you need to know starting out as a web developer. Examples of client-side programming are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. All these three languages in the client side will be covered in this course. Some examples of server-side programming languages are PHP and MySQL. Starting out as a web developer, we do not need much knowledge of the server-side programming to be able to start building websites. For instance, WordPress is built with PHP and MySQL, and in the first lecture, we will be setting up the MySQL database, install WordPress, and link the WordPress website with the database. Once this is done, we can avoid dealing with PHP and MySQL database and concentrate on building the website with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That's roughly all the knowledge you need to know about the internet before you can start building websites. See you in the next lecture.